Hi everybody, it's me, it's Kat from Creative Crafts. Today's tip of the day is how to make a Easter tree. It's a German tradition that I know of. Hi, it's me again. What you do is very easy. You get a vase. Any kind of vase you want. It depends how big you want your tree. It can be a tiny one. It can be a very small one. It can be a big one like this, what I just did. Yeah, what I did is, this was before gold. I painted it white. I think it needs one more coat of white paint. I will do that. And then you take any kind of branches. I was debating if I should spray paint these another color, but I think I just like the way they are. And what you need to do is situate the branches in the way that you know, get in there. Yeah. So they're not all together, because I have some green ones here and I don't want them all in one area. I got some branches from outside. Some I already had bought before all this. This is a pretty good size. This one's not even down all the way. I can tell. Oh, it is. Alright. So what I want to do is try to fix it so that they're not sticking out like this so much. You want them pretty much like a little bouquet flower, and you want to make sure you get branches that have, you know, little hooks and stuff where you can hang your little eggs on. This one is sticking out and I don't like the way it sticks out, but it has a branch there too, so we can stick this one over here. It's pretty easy to make these, and what you do now is you go and get some mixed eggs, colored eggs, or you can make a traditional plain with just natural looking eggs. I bought these at what's this called? I always say it wrong. They cost about $2 a piece. They're not as cheap as they are in the States. You can probably get these for 99 cents, but you just get many different colors, or you can use just one color. I decided to use a few different colors. Let me put my glasses on. Hey, now I can see the branches better. Whoops. Whoops. Come on. So you open them up. It has two different sizes. It has the bigger ones. And what you do is you just organize the eggs everywhere. Try to put them in places. I have some extra branches here that are all bunched up. We don't want that. We want to put some over here. You want to make sure you have it so you can put the eggs everywhere. So we're on the last and final step. It's pretty fast and really quick. Let me pull this back so you can see. Like I said, the first thing you need is a vase. Doesn't matter what size, it depends on how big you want your tree. Second thing you need is branches. Branches from outside. Please do not break them off the tree. Find the ones that are already broken on the ground, use those. I had so many different things. I bought stuff, like you see with these green ones, I bought them. And I have some of the little tiny ones with little pearls on them. I thought they would look good inside here, so I put those in there. And then you need this grass. And the most important thing, you need the eggs. You need the eggs. So make sure you have these eggs. So what color I want to put there? This one looks like it's missing. I don't want to have too many eggs in one place, so I'm trying. Come on. So the basic thing that you need to do is make sure that you don't miss out on certain things, on areas, because if you see areas with more and then other side with less, rearrange everything. Try to fix it and see if you can get it fixed. So yeah, maybe something I can put here. The little branch don't break on me. Some of these trees are very fragile because they've been sitting there so long outside. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to stick a ribbon around here with the glue gun. I'm going to just want to make sure that it's perfect all around. So take some glue. This should still be hot. Because I used it earlier. And I know it was still kind of hot. So make sure it's right at the edge of the bottle. I mean, if you have enough ribbon, you can put a bow on it if you want. But my ribbon, I don't have much. So I think I'm going to glue some first, and then I'm going to watch out for the glue. Like I said before, it's hot. I'm going to pull this snug, cut it, and then I'm going to put more glue so that you don't see this part sticking out. So no matter what direction you put it, it'll still look nice. Like I said, be careful. Make sure you don't. See, now that looks good. I didn't want to glue all around because if you miss a place, I want it to be perfectly around, level with the blink. Come on. Why you lift it up there? Yeah, that's better. So, and that's the finished product. If you want, you can also do the napkin technique. Get a Easter napkin and put a motif in front with Mod Podge. Or you can normal glue and then you mix water to it. That's it. Not too much. And then you can stick something on here, but I just want to leave it mine plain. Let's just hang off. Don't want that. So there's my Easter tree. I hope you enjoyed my video. I hope it was helpful. I hope I wasn't too fast explaining everything. If there's anything I missed out when I was talking, I didn't want to tell you the whole tradition about it. Tree. There's not really a traditional about a tree. The tradition is more about the egg and its symbol. The eggs is a symbol of fertility and new beginnings. And United States haven't done the colored eggs until the Germans went into the United States and brought the tradition with them, and that's where the coloring of the eggs came from. What I read, because here in Germany there are so many great techniques and ideas how to decorate eggs. The colors that you use have different meanings. The way you hang the tree, or what I understood is hanging a tree like this in front of your doorway welcomes fertility for someone who wants to have children, for like a new pair, a new couple. You put this in front of their door. You can do it for them if you want. And it helps them, the woman, to get fertile so that she can produce a baby. That is a old German tradition. And I think it's great. I love it. I think it's a great idea. It's also for new beginnings, for life to become different and anew. So this is a little story about how the Easter egg became and why they started hanging the eggs on trees. They, like I said, they did it in front of homes where people, they can hang them on the normal tree that has no leaves on it. If it has leaves on it, you can do that too in nice climate areas. But they usually did that in front of houses where people are new couples, and when you want new beginnings to happen in your home, usually this is what the people did. They hung the eggs on trees. And then later on in the future, people started making these things in the home or put in the doorway and things like this. So it's a cute little tradition. And I've been doing it since I've been in Germany. So, and I don't want Germany to lose this tradition, because there's so many traditions that's already fading away here in Germany. And I try very hard to teach all my kids, and I also want to educate everyone now here that what this tradition is, and it shouldn't die off. It's a fun tradition, and it's a nice tradition. So this is the story. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please comment below, you know what below is, right? And if you have questions, ideas, same thing. And please subscribe.